So what I want us to realize here is that we're talking of the issue of school, we're speaking on the issue of school, but I want the church to realize that you cannot do it alone. The father did cast out David and think he was not fit enough because he was dirty and in the field. This is how the church is making me feel, which is why I'm going into the Bible so much to speak on these different issues. Because the church is making me feel like I'm cast out on a side and I'm not good enough to speak to the children. So I'm using all these scriptures so that the church can hear me. When Samuel went to David's house, there was other brothers that was there that was clean and more fitting, and the father thought that those were the brothers that should have become king, and that was the one that Saul should have anointed. But when the father brought these brothers in front of Samuel, God said to Samuel, no, he rejected them. Those are not the brothers. And so Samuel said, you must have another child. So there's someone, and the father said, no man, he's a little dirty boy. You don't want that one. He's out in the field keeping the sheep. You know what my story is leading to? The church is casting me out.